Plantation Oaks, a private gated Lafayette community, we're taking you inside 105 Oak Alley.
This community and its southern charms are going to give you some features that you are going to love.
Plantation Oaks is a gated community that provides pretty roadways, and behind the gates, there's 50 live oaks in this neighborhood. And the positive is, it's secluded, but you're still super close to everything in Lafayette.
Inside of this just under 4,000 square foot, 4-bed, 4 full bath beauty, we have some surprises waiting for you.
The curb appeal of this home deserves to be in a magazine. There's a long driveway, perfect for guests to visit. The front yard is great for outside play, and just wait until we show you the backyard.
When you walk in through these double doors, you are flooded with so many charming and unique features of this home, from the longleaf pine flooring to the beautiful brick pavers, to the custom woodwork throughout the home, and the long windows that show the stunning views of the property.
On the first floor, you have all of your main living spaces. Both living rooms are equipped with each of their own fireplaces. The primary bedroom is located on the first floor, 2 guest bedrooms, and that's not it. You even have another separate office.
The primary suite is placed perfectly in this floor plan, from beautiful views to the backyard to your gorgeous suite with a custom stand-in shower, beautiful double vanity with quartz countertops, a beautiful soaker tub, and some of the best views of the backyard.
So off of the formal dining room, you have this fabulous, spacious keeping area that overlooks your backyard that tastefully opens up into your custom kitchen, complete with quartz countertops, cypress cabinets, stainless appliances, and one of the best kitchen sink windows you could ask for. So upstairs, you're gonna walk into this huge bonus space that's currently used as an entertainment space. Also upstairs, you have another guest bedroom, a full bathroom, plenty of storage, and beautiful views overlooking your scenic lot.
The backyard is a truly park-like setting with large trees, some nice shaded areas, a large pergola, and a quaint backyard bar area.
So this home comes with solar panels that is going to significantly reduce your monthly utility costs. 105 Oak Alley in Plantation Oaks is such a unique home that you rarely see in our marketplace.
It's a home for those that value quality, space, functionality, and the privacy of a gated community.